Gentlemen, and hello everyone who is watching our channel. Well, today we're going to talk about hair, and yes, it always has been like that, but today I want to kick it off with a special issue. We are going to talk about our lives, and strictly speaking, about our hair lives. As you know from past to present, any trend, no matter what fashion, no matter what style, hair is always an important topic. Whether you are rich or poor, succeed or fail, thin or fat, short or tall, hair is always for most importance of our lives. Hair is so important that it affects us mentally as well as our happiness. Hair thinning makes us feel depressed and disappointed about everything, especially when you're growing up with thick and beautiful hair. Then suddenly one day, without saying a word, suddenly they go away one by one, and they didn't even say goodbye to you. And yes, it happened to me. And then suddenly, after a while, suddenly they returned to me. An jubilation, celebration of new appearance, new for me. Yes, it's always surprising, that's why we have something to talk about. And it made me excited and love my life again. So why don't I share this joy with you guys? A question mark popped into my head. To begin with, I helped a dozen guys and had successful results with them, as I am passionate interested about hair. But it did take most of my time, so I started my YouTube channel, shared it with everyone, and during that time I continuously and silently attended trichology clinical course. And after a long time with my own efforts and continuous strivings, I now have achieved results as my expectations. And I'm excited to announce that because of my passion of regrowing my own hair, I become certificated trichologist. So I ventured into writing a workbook as well as my own experience. It has been very successful with me and so many other people who have helped it. It will make people excited about life again, love life more. Let's do it while we can. There is no reason to wait for us while opportunity is in front of us, right? Your key is here. Follow the link below the video.